Chugga, chugga goes the train, rolling through the starlit plain. Babies snuggle soft and tight on a ride through dreamy night. Twinkle lights and fluffy skies, stars are dancing in their eyes. Cuddled up in cozy chairs, holding tight to teddy bears. Yawning moon begins to glow, waving gently, moving slow. Emma smiles, Leo blinks, Maya stretches, Zayn just thinks. Clouds go by in sleepy rows, lullaby wind softly blows. The train floats past a crescent moon, singing dreams in gentle tune. Cribs are rocking side to side as the babies sleep and glide. Lanterns shaped like teddy heads gleam above their tiny beds. Good night stars and glowing track, the sleepy train won't turn back. Chugga, chugga, off it goes to Starland dreams where stars